Hello and welcome back friends in your favorite channel learnagro.com. You can see the beautiful Bougainvillea plant over here. So today's topic is on this plant. Bougainvillea are fast growing popular ornamental plants in most areas with warm climate. Although it is cold sensitive plant, people use this for green plant in their home. Basically, it needs 5 to 8 hours of sunlight and plenty of water for growing huge number of flower-like colored leaves, which make it more beautiful. So, with this brief introduction, let's have our own Bougainvillea plant at our home. This technique is used by the nursery people to start large plant at once in a commercial way. So today I am going to teach you the same technique. Without further delay, let's begin. Before starting the project, let's make mud ready for the project. Take 50% of the coco peat, 20% of vermicompost, the orthomom soil, which is very nutritious for the plant, and 30% of the normal garden soil, included with some rooting hormone that quick starts your project. Now, taking a branch of the Bougainvillea plant and cut in this way as shown. And put off the smaller portion of the wood from the branch. Now peel off the skin so that new roots will come out from this area. Now cut in this way and make a space beneath the branch by placing a piece of wood like this. This will give more space for the branch to get nutrition from the soil, and the roots can start faster from that way. Now placing the mixture of mud around the branch tightly so that the moisture will be locked inside the plastic and the branch can take enough moisture for the further growth of the roots from this area. I'm taking the jute rope because it works perfectly for my project and it will work for you too, and tied in such a way as I'm doing that will help the branch get intact with the mud. Now perfect, now it's good. So I'll make a couple of more air layering. So here, taking after 40 days, now you can see number of flowers, leaves, colored leaves has grown. I will now check whether the root has grown or not. You can see the mud is quite firm with the branch. And you can see there is a little white root coming out, and this branch has successfully grown a root. And I will just safely cut this branch below from the air layered portion and transplant it on the ground. You can wait little more also so that numbers of root can grow, but it's okay for me. I can just start from here. Now my friend is preparing the soil for transplanting the Bougainvillea branches. That is 50% compost and 50% garden soil. And now he is taking off the rope, and you can see that this branch is quite healthy. Numbers of leaves are here. You can see the root, and now gently place it in the soil because the roots are very fragile and you need to take good care of them, otherwise your project can fail. Now gently press the soil, and in another branch that is quite too long, so I need to cut it off. I am just making it around 6 inches long so that the branch can get enough nutrition. In this branch also you can see that there is also a white root coming out and it's quite good. Okay, so now just in a similar way place it inside the mud and slowly it will grow after some time. Generally, Bougainvillea loves well-drained soil with good amount of potash in it, which can be obtained from hardwood compost. If they get enough sunlight up to 6 to 8 hours a day and good amount of water, they can grow up to 36 inches a year. Yes, that is 36 inches a year, which can help people decorate their home within 2 to 3 years in a perfect way. Let them in this shaded area for some time. So here after 70 days you can see this Bougainvillea has grown very nicely. The leaves are healthy, the branches are also quite doing good, and so far I am quite happy with the result. So checking after 1 year, you can see that these plants have just rocked. They have just grown very nicely. You can see number of colored leaves are there and they are doing fantastic in this spot. And checking another one, that is also just rocking. You can see number of beautiful colored leaves are there. They are basically leaves, not the flower. So in this way you can grow Bougainvillea plant at your home from the air layering method. If you have any queries, please comment below. I hope you like my effort and you have learned something from Learn Agro. If you have learned something, please do share it with your friends, give it a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe for more interesting videos. Thank you and see you again.